All right, I'm passionate about leaf blowers. I want to thank the company for sending this one in particular out to me. This is a Dewalt compatible blower, so you're not going to receive a battery with this. You provide your own, being that you have Dewalt tools. It's going to work with the regular Dewalt battery up to the 20-volt max batteries, all compatible, which is great. This is what you're going to receive. It's going to come in 3 parts. You're going to get your main blower here and 2 tubes. You can see that. So these are a twist and lock, real simple. Show you how it goes on here. And on the end piece here, I see people have this on different ways, have it at the top, have it at the bottom. I believe it's supposed to be down here at the bottom. Also because of the way it twists and lock, they both lock down the same direction and the words are that way. So this is used to kind of set on the ground when you're blowing really close, so you're not scratching up the actual round end here. So it's just kind of a protective guide for the end of the tube. So your battery easily slides on. You're going to have 3 different settings. You're going to have low, high, and then the turbo button. I'll show you that. This is a 20,000 RPM blower. CFM on this is 600, which equals 150 mile an hour wind, which is nice. A lot of power. Lightweight, very lightweight. So this weighs 3.4 pounds. So I put it on my own scale with the battery on it. This is the smaller DeWalt battery. The 3.4 pounds. My traditional blower, 56 volt blower, weighs 10 pounds. So when you're holding that, it gets really fatiguing on your wrist. Blower like this at a third of the weight, I mean, it's incredible, especially considering it's almost as equally as powerful, which I'm really impressed. There's a lot of options out there. There's the smaller pistol grip style blowers, big heavy ones. This is a great middle of the road blower just because of the size of it. It's like a traditional blower. You get that power, but then the weight, crazy. So the settings here, so let's start on low. There's your low, your high, and then your turbo. So really nice, easy to function, comfortable in the hand. Just a nice looking blower. Any other questions? Oh, the warranty on this is great too. So within 14 days of receiving this, you go ahead and call, register this. It's going to go from 30 to a full year of coverage on this. So you got nothing to worry about. They're backing this product. It's a good product and works really well. So I want to take you out. It's not fall right now. I don't have a lot of leaves on the ground, but I do have a little area out there. I can show you how this is going to work and operate and blow some things around. The blowers are great. It's a tool I pick up every single day around my house. Blowing the porch, whatever it might be, the inside of the car, the garage, blowing pet hair out of the house through the back door. Blowers just come in handy, especially for drying the car. One big thing I do a lot. Always use the blower to dry the car. It's a great thing to do. So yeah, hey, blowers, awesome tools. So let me take you back and show you how this handles some debris. So I'm out here on my platform. Don't mind the pressure cleaning job. I'm only just started, so a little bit of debris back here. So I'm going to run you through the speeds and show you how this operates. We'll start off on low, medium, and turbo.